Well, have you ever bought something online that ended up looking nothing like the picture, or even worse, turned out to be fake? Experts are warning shoppers to be extra careful this holiday season as scammers are flooding the internet with too good to be true deals. Our consumer reporter Shakira Hawkins shows us how fake gifts are fooling shoppers and what you can do to avoid getting scammed.
Ordering online can be tricky any time of the year, but this holiday season, experts say scammers are taking it to the next level. They're flooding online marketplaces with fake products that look real, ship fast, and fool even the most savvy shoppers.
Online shopper, 100%.
It's the name of the game.
If you have to go in the store and literally shop and it's a lot of people, that's anxiety for me.
Convenience over chaos.
So I'd rather stay home and order online, let it come to the door.
Experts say nowadays shopping online could cost you big. I'm guilty of it too, but the truth is it saves you a lot of time and money, but in today's market, it could lead to trouble.
We're talking about over $500 billion each year globally.
Experts say fake products are getting harder to spot. A couple of weeks ago, I told you about a popular toy flooding the Las Vegas Valley.
So this one, unfortunately, is not legit.
Criminals are clever. They're going to try to rip people off, so people really need to be careful. But it runs the entire gamut. It can be electronics, it can be luxury goods, it can be toys, it can be personal care items.
It's a problem shopper Jen Johnson knows firsthand.
Yes, it has happened to me where I did order something off of TikTok and the package came and there was nothing in the package.
Some shoppers say they're still willing to take the risk.
Gift is a gift, whether it's fake or real. Just depends on the gift for real.
It's the thought that counts.
Yes, the thought that counts.
But experts say there are ways to stay safe.
Is to buy from those sources that you can trust. Very often that means going to the merchandise, the creator and the producer of the merchandise, their website. You need to look at the actual site you're on very carefully, because sometimes you'll click on a product, it will redirect you to a counterfeit site, and there might be little hints in the site. The language that they use describing the product might have some spelling.
And if you're holiday shopping, remember, if a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Experts say check seller ratings and verify retailers and use credit cards for better fraud protection. For Good Morning Las Vegas, I'm Shakira Hawkins.